If you want to protect your giant mallet head putter in style, check this out. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I have my beloved giant mallet head putter here. This is the Lab Golf Mez 1 Max. It's actually very big, despite the fact that it's not as big as some of the ones. You know, the fangs that hang off the back on some of these putters are really long, but this one isn't, but it's still quite big, as you can see here. And so finding a putter cover for it is not that easy. And if you want to find an aftermarket putter cover, well, I might suggest something from Craftsman Golf, because I really love their stuff. I have used their stuff for a long time because they have just a huge variety, huge selection of different things, so you can find stuff that represents you, and it's very affordable. So first of all, I like playing a little poker every now and then, and sometimes I'm a joker. What I have here is this putter cover here, and it looks like leather. I think it's like a PU leather, and it's black, a nice pebbling. We have the joker cards on the front. I want to show you here that on the top, these are really very puffy. I mean, they have relief on them. I mean, they are very tactile up here. On the back here, we have some dice. You can see we've got a 4 rolled there, a magnetic cover right here. Ooh, this is probably going to interfere with my shaft a little bit, but I'm going to make it work. And then inside here, what we have is like a fleece lining, so you don't have to worry about it scuffing up your putter or anything like this. But kind of keep in mind, if you have a center shafted putter, then you're probably not going to want this, but it's going to come out, you know. But if the shaft comes out like on the edge by a third, then you're cool. But like I said, I think this is going to work anyway, because look at this, it's going to fit. This thing is big enough that it's going to fit, and because of that extra space, actually, I can close it up, which is really nice. So look at that. It is holding closed, and now I've got my Mez 1 all protected with the Joker right there. So if you want to celebrate your poker life and hashtag golf life with one piece of kit here, well, I would suggest picking this up by Craftsman Golf. Ooh, I didn't even tell you. It's got all the suits here embroidered on the back edge. I didn't even notice that. That's pretty nice. Hey, embroidery is expensive, so you get that too. So, I think I just sold it to you, right? We closed the deal on the embroidery on the back. So now you will go pick it up. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out!
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter.